Good morning mga ka-travel, another day, another travel adventure. And dito tayo sa Changi Airport. And our next destination is Frankfurt, Germany. Nagpapalit muna kami ng euro kasi pag may policy ang mga hotel sa Europe na kailangan nila ng 150 to 200 euro deposit, which is refundable during checkout. Pero kung credit card ang gagamitin mo, it will take around 10 to 14 days bago mabalik ang credit sa yung credit card. Kaya mas maganda kung cash at pag checkout mo, ibabalik nila kaagad. First leg ng ating trip from Singapore to Qatar, then Qatar to Frankfurt, Germany. Let's eat. To our food, pasta, and for me is chicken biryani. And welcome to Doha, Qatar. Welcome to Hamad International Airport, Doha, Qatar. Second leg of our flight from Doha to Frankfurt, Germany.
Sausage.
Welcome to Frankfurt International Airport. Dito tayo sa car rental service. I-pick up natin yung service for the whole trip.
7 t-shirts kami.
This is a car for Europe for 2 weeks.
17 days to be exact.
This hybrid. Okay.
XC,
It's left-handed.
XC90.
It's Volvo XC90. Okay, let's see.
Ay, ito yung anak ko. May water. The water's not enough.
And our start is
Driving here in Frankfurt, Germany. Hi, baby ko.
Use the left lane to take the A5 ramp, then use the left lane to take the A5 ramp.
very accurate and user-friendly ang Google Map dito sa Europe, kaya hindi ka dadalhin sa dead end or sa kangkungan. At dahil maaga kaming dumating dito sa Frankfurt, kahit mahaba ang biyahe, diretso na tayo sa pasyal. At ang unang stop, sa Frankfurt Opera House. At 15 to 20 minutes away lang siya from the airport. Kaya, let's go!
Keep right to continue on Friedrich Ebert Anlage.
Welcome to Frankfurt Opera House.
Okay, bye-bye, bye-bye. We are here in Frankfurt, Germany. Hi, Dad.
Take photo. Hi, hello.
Hi, anak.
Take photo here.
Electric bus.
Drop. Drop.
Oper Frankfurt. Oper Frankfurt.
At after dito sa Opera House, just 2 kilometers away, pumunta kami sa Iron Bridge. Famous location ng Korea drama na Queen of Tears. Welcome to Iron Bridge, Frankfurt.
Eisernersteg means
Eisernersteg.
Iron Bridge.
Let's go. Yung mga tourist na pumupunta rito, naglalagay sila ng padlock sa gilid ng bridge. Kaya gagawin din natin yon. Look. There's the Queen of Tears. Scene where the Queen of Tears was filmed. This is the cathedral. Able to find.
Ano na eh. Hantay mo kang kamagimatang gamin. Nadagsang gisaka kong dati ah. Hey Daddy, maybe it's night time. This one, the restaurant.
Yeah, night. Bye. Okay, then. Hey, you right now?
Wait. You put the date.
Do you have smaller though? I don't have small bill.
Love always. You put love always.
You don't have.
Okay, no problem. You go there, change with the 10. After comment on 10, I can...
Okay.
Because I give everything the small money.
Pang ilang post? Ganun. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Apat na post.
So about here,
Ang dali, bilangin natin.
from the center,
Maraming masyadong... Maraming
then we can see the view of the
I don't think it will fit.
the view of the here.
I don't think
there.
it can fit. Can anak ko here?
Yeah,
Where?
yeah,
Here, up.
yeah, the red one.
The red one.
Yeah, yeah. You can see the cathedral there
Ay, wait,
behind.
you link it with
Yeah.
the red?
Yep. Because you cannot.
Cannot.
Yeah, because you cannot very thick. Okay. Alright. So here you can see the cathedral behind. And behind is Love Day. Okay.
Love always.
Oh, love always. Okay. You can see the cathedral there. At pagbaba mo ng bridge dito sa kabilang side, makikita mo na yung Old Town Plaza. Ito yung tourist spot dito sa Frankfurt.
Dati tugutan ng Pinoy dyan eh. Saan tayo pwedeng umupo?
Nakatali-tali kasi.
Come, we buy ice cream. Yeah. Bibili sana kami ng ice cream dito pero nalaman namin na hindi ka pala pwedeng umupo sa mga chair kung dito ka sa stand bibili. So, kailangan mong pumunta sa loob ng restaurant at doon ka mag-order ng ice cream para pwede kang umupo sa table nila. Say hi! At ito yung famous landmark dito sa Frankfurt, these 3 buildings. Welcome to Frankfurt Old Town. It's the tourist area here in Frankfurt. The cathedral. And ang mga puti na nagsasunbathing. Imagine it's 2:30 in the afternoon para sa afternoon sunbathing. And just here. Babatin. have some ice cream. Wow, later. Nice.
Anak, taste also. Agree naman tayo. Ay, is it? Did you return?
Yes.
Did you return? You don't like or you like?
Ticket na lang na. Ticket mo 1. Sa atin. And after namin mamasyal sa Old Town, dumaan muna kami ng supermarket para bumili ng mga kakanin bago pumunta sa aming hotel. Milk, fresh milk. Want to get some fruits? Oh, you can buy pineapple and then they will slice for you. They open for you. They will remove the.
May ano ka ba? May... Tara, bili tayo. Gusto mo?
No.
Ha? Hindi na?
Kung nanonood ka pa rin ka-travel, don't forget to like, share, at paki-follow na rin ang ating page. Rojas? Rojas
Pico.
Pico.
Snack ah.
This one all refrigerated. Go.
Milk, milk, milk.
This one's for sugar. Yung ano natin tawag dito? Dairy product. Yung
Ay, ito, milk.
honey.
Honey?
Because we don't have fresh milk.
Hindi mo mabasa na fresh milk na ano.
Use your phone namin to translate. Because I'm using it for video. Sugar. At hanggang dito na lang ang aming video dito sa Frankfurt mga ka-travel. See you again tomorrow for our next video. Bigal. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye. Ang hirap pumili ng tubig dito, puros carbonated. Kaya very important na meron kang Google Translate. Ibian.